Dalmatia, Pennsylvania, a tiny riverside town in Northumberland County. Quiet by day, but when night falls, the Susquehanna whispers with voices that should have stayed buried. Just outside town stood the Riverside Cabaret, where staff swore they saw glowing orbs on cameras, heard a man's voice whispering names into empty rooms, and in the basement, the endless sobbing of a woman no one ever found. But the darkness here runs deeper than one building. Native tribes once called this stretch of the Susquehanna Otsinaksun, the demon's den. For centuries, travelers told of red lights floating on the water, shadows pacing the banks, and unseen footsteps following them through the fog. So if you find yourself driving through Dalmatia after dark, don't stop. And don't look toward the river, because once the voices call your name, the Susquehanna never gives it back. Follow for more haunted history of Pennsylvania.